So what's up guys, my name is Fulusha DBC and today I'll be showing us how we can make our withdrawal request or a deposit on our FX Choice Broker account. So we're just going to click on the deposit. After clicking on this deposit, yes, I deposit into my own FX Choice account using Bitcoin. Then one of the reasons why I deposit into my account using Bitcoin is 15% deposit bonus. Yes, so this is only applicable to those of us that deposit using Bitcoin. So you have advantage of a 15% deposit bonus. So to deposit using our Bitcoin is so easy, but if you don't wish to deposit using Bitcoin, we have other means which you can deposit with. If you have your card, you can just click on this MasterCard and you go on with the rest of the process. But I will be showing you how I deposit using Bitcoin. So we click on how to deposit in Bitcoin now. So that's what we're going to click on. If you don't have any means in getting Bitcoin, you can just contact me, and then you can just leave a message for me in the comment section, so I'll get back to you as fast as possible. So I'll click on deposit in Bitcoin now. So I'm going to select the account in which I want to deposit into. So I'll just pick one of my accounts here that I wish to deposit into. So I'll just pick this. Now after picking this, so I'll write the amount I want to deposit, but the amount I'm going to deposit will be in Bitcoin. So I'll just write the amount I want to deposit. Let's say I want to deposit like about 200 USD worth of Bitcoin. So as you can see, it's loading. Okay, you see it's loading. So if you can see, just if you're looking at the screen, you see this approximate amount. So here it will be showing you the worth of what you're typing in the amount box here. So let me see. Oh no, this is huge. I'm not depositing up to that. Okay, let's just leave it this way. So now I try to put in the amount of BTC I want to deposit into my account. So when I'm okay with this, then I click on, I check this box. After checking this box, this small box here, this is empty, and click on it. After giving us that stroke there, then I submit my request. So they're going to process my request now. So I confirm it. After confirming my request here, then okay, yeah, good. So as you can see now, my payment notification has been generated now. So this will be the address I will be sending my Bitcoin into. You know, for every request they are going to generate an address in which you're going to deposit to. So what I mean by that is that after depositing into this address, the next time I want to do it, they are going to give me another address. So I'm not going to use this same one. I only use this same one for this request. So I just copy it. After copying it, then I'll just go to my platform where I'll be sending my Bitcoin from. I can send it from, I do use blockchain send from blockchain, Remitano, Paxful. We have them like that. So you just send it here. So just give it few minutes after sending the amount of Bitcoin into this wallet. Then it's going to reflect on our back office. Definitely, just give it some few minutes. It can be up to an hour. It is that fast. It's going to reflect here. So let's quickly go to how we can make our withdrawal on this our broker. So if you want to make a withdrawal, just click on this. After clicking on this, okay, I understood. Yeah, after clicking on this, as you can see now, we also have a lot of options to which you can make a withdrawal. But since I deposited using Bitcoin, definitely I'm going to withdraw using Bitcoin. You are going to withdraw with the means you made your deposit. I'm taking the withdrawal using Bitcoin. So quickly I'm going to click on Bitcoin here. So after clicking on the Bitcoin, we're going to do the same thing by selecting the account which I want to withdraw from. Just selecting this account. So I select this account now. I'll just write my amount in USD. Let me say I want to withdraw 200 USD from my account. I'm having 395 available for withdrawal. Yeah, so then I'm going to just paste my address here. After pasting my address, then I'll just send my request. So after sending my request, then I'll just relax and wait for my coin landing in my wallet. And that's just the simple way of making a deposit and a withdrawal on this FS Choice broker account. And this comes to the end of today's lesson. I'm sure by now you can easily make your deposit and withdrawal using any means more easier for you to use. So if you're here to subscribe onto my channel, so I'll advise you to do so. And if you haven't watched some of my videos, so you can just go through them after watching this. It will be of more help to you. So thank you, and don't forget to put on your notifications so that anytime I'm dropping my video you can easily get it. Alright, do have a nice day.